Knees hurt? I have the best natural recipe for you. Today I'm going to show you a wonderful natural recipe that you will love. Save this video for later so you don't miss it. First, we need 3 sprigs of rosemary. Wash it well with clean water. Now separate the leaves, put it in a bowl. From which city are you watching the video from? Let me know in the comments. Now we need a piece of ginger root. Peel it and cut it into small pieces. Add them to the bowl. We need 2 lemon slices. Add the lemon slices to the bowl. If you've made it this far, comment on the word lemon. Add a cinnamon stick to the bowl. Add a liter of water. Let cook for 10 minutes. When it starts to boil, reduce the heat. Then let it cool for 10 minutes. Drink 1 cup with honey in the morning and be happy. If you like my recipes, you can support me by liking and commenting. See you in the next video.